Hello everybody, getting ready to do lesson 4.6 tune-up for SAT Math Level 1 test preparation. Contact me here for course materials, tutoring, note-taking guides, worksheets. And 4.6, we got a 70-point tune-up sheet here, a very large tune-up sheet to cover. And then you had 12 points of note-taking on your lecture version of 4.6. And this is a circle graph here that we're going to refer, questions 1 and 2 referred to would be the circle graph. And then this is question 1 and 2 that go back to the circle math on your worksheet. That will be easily accessible. So if you need worksheets, if you need to order the course, contact me at that email. And page 3 on 4.6, we have a table here. Questions 3 and 4 refer to this table here. And page 4 on your worksheet, 4.6, problem number 3 and 4 refer back to that table. Page 5, we have a bar graph here that we will refer to questions 5 and 6, 4.6 tune-up. Here's 5 and 6 here. Page 6 on your worksheet. Multiple choice here for these. Again, another circle graph here for questions 7 and 8. Page 7 on your worksheet. And then here is problem 7, problem 8. This is page 8 on your worksheet, and multiple choice here, referring back. Another graph for questions 9 and 10, page 9 on your worksheet. And then page 10 on your worksheet, 4.6, we have questions 9 and 10 that refer back to that graph. Another graph. Page 11 on your worksheet. This is for questions 11 and 12, number of cars purchased, number of cars leased. And then page 12 on your worksheet referring back to that graph for questions 11 and 12. Questions 13 and 14, we have a graph here. We have a little jog here that's a scaled y-axis here for this problem. Page 13 on your worksheet, page 14 on your worksheet, 4.6, and then here are your questions 13 and 14. We have another table here, page 15 on your worksheet. We have your multiple choices here for this word problem. Page 16 on your worksheet, we have another bar graph here for page 16 for problem 16. Here are your multiple choices here. Page 16 for question 17 here, referring to this table. Here are your multiple choices. And then a bar graph. Questions 1 and 2 refer, we got a grid end coming here. So your questions 1 and 2 grid ends will refer to this bar graph. And then here's question number 1 of grid ends, page 18 on your worksheet. Page 19 on your worksheet, question number 2, referring back. And this is your grid end. We have another bar graph. Page 20 on your worksheet, question number 3, histogram above. They're going to call this a histogram. And then page 21 of grid end here, questions 4 through 6. And we have this table here that you refer to. This would be page 21 on your worksheet. And then page 22 on your worksheet. Question number 5, referring back to the table for your grid end. And then question number 6, which refers back to the table, page 23 on your worksheet. And then question number 7, we go to this table for that, page 24 in your worksheet. Another, what they're calling this a histogram here, okay. So 4 points, question number 8, based on a cumulative history above, blah, 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 percentage of people, of swimmers, page 25 on your worksheet. Another histogram here, errors on a French test. And this is page 26 on your worksheet for this Tuneup. And that is your 4.6 Tuneup exercise. And if you need solution PowerPoints, which I think you would need, note-taking guides and other need tutoring, contact me here and I'll take care of it. Thank you.